Nerd Army, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showcasing an absolute unit of a package. Kyberphonic, Kasif and Blue Mamba have teamed up, mate, triple threat style, and they have created the biggest and best Star Wars Jedi Survivor lightsaber package. Every colour from Cal, every characters you think may be on here, trust me, they are here. They've gone crazy. And I do know how much effort and just how long this has been to make this, man. It is not easy, so big respect to those three. And now let's waste no time, let's check this bad boy. I will say, there's slight spoilers, so like if you haven't finished the game, maybe add this to your watch later list. You've been warned, let's do this.
Nothing we couldn't handle.
So this is very much your standard single blade, blue obviously, Cal Kestis Saber font. Now every single colour is available in the game straight away. You can change it at your workbench. You played the game, you know this. And every single saber does sound different. So yeah, huge respect to the three legends who've made this, man. I know this has taken a long ass time. Yes, you are, baby. See, straight away, like, I know this sounds different. I didn't even rock with a blue blade or a green blade. I think my blade is the next one I've set on here.
Well, we ran into some trouble on our last job.
Yeah, that's a bloody fact. Yes! So this is what your boy was rocking with, baby. Purple through the entire game. I know exactly how this sounds. Yeah, this is sick. Yes! Push those stupid stormtroopers off the cliff, mate. So, I'm just throwing it out there, right? I haven't got every single colour on here because I want you guys to experience the difference in the package. You played the game, you already know. I have added some crossguard saber fonts, but before we get there, the boys, however, have done a madness, and I need to talk about this. It's called Party. I have not done it. This is CFX, this is for Profi. Don't think you can do it with CFX, but you definitely can do it with Profi. It's a blade style that every time you swing the saber, the colour changes and the font changes. It is insane. I've actually never seen anything like it. Unfortunately, I can't do it. However, it looks like this. Really sick, really awesome. I'm sure there's other amazing YouTubers who can do that. Unfortunately, I kind of suck with Profi and I don't know how to do it.
Yellow crossguard.
Yes.
Nothing we couldn't handle.
So this is yellow crossguard. The crossguard, let's just turn it on, hold on. That sounds well sick, boy. Yeah, that's a mad thing. So the crossguard has its own unique swings, mixed in with its own unique colour font. Really sick. And you gotta hear this, man. Really sick. Crossguard's actually an absolute pain in the arse to use. It's so big and so heavy.
Sound bank selection.
White crossguard.
Yes.
Whatever happened, you can't change the past.
Facts, boy. Let's do this. That's right. You could pick white, baby. And white in the game is bloody sick. Really bloody sick, mate. This one, this white crossguard, is pretty goddamn nice.
Red crossguard.
Red crossguard, because of course we have to, mate.
Nothing we couldn't handle.
Yes, come on now. Are you hearing that hum, bruv? Ooh. Killing.
Santari.
Alright, let's do this. Different characters now. This is Santari.
The Count
Council may have given up on you, but I know who you truly are, Dagen.
You think you know Dagen, but you didn't. Woo! Speaking of Dagen, don't worry, my man's coming up. Both his versions.
Ninth sister.
Oh.
Open fire!
Come on, you ninth mug. You got battered in that game. Quick time, fam. That is filthy, though. That hum. Yeah, disgusting. Mate, some of these fonts, I can hardly hear myself talk, man. Really loud, really bassy. Kill him. I say kill him. You got battered, bruv. That hum is disgusting, but there's a few more. Don't worry. In fact, it's quite a lot more, mate. Let's do this.
Master Cere Junda.
I was hoping you drowned on Nur when we blew a hole in your underwater base.
Yeah, Cere just winding up Lord Vader. Her font, yeah, is a mad mix, bruv. It's kind of like Darth Maul and something else. I just can't tell what it is. Really unique. You're just pushing Vader against the bookshelf. Well, Jedi shelf, Jedi temple, bookshelf, you know what I mean. Bro, you know the Force powers, they do it for me, man. This is, yeah, I'm in my zone right now, bruv. That ignition is naughty, though.
Lord Vader.
Let's effing go. Now we're in the zone that I'm ready for, mate. Come on.
Your failure is inevitable.
So, Vader's font in the game, even I notice it, it sounds a lot like Darth Maul, bruv. It's kind of nice and kind of weird hearing like a different Vader font. That is insanely bassy though, Jesus. That is outrageous bass, man. That clash is naughty, brother. Just Vader slapping shit, bruv. Yes. Kill Cere. Choker. Killer. Mega spoiler alerts, but you probably played the game, right? You fucking have. Oh, slow ignition. One more time, man. Super quick, and then... Love that. Bode Kuna, ladies and gentlemen. This is the one that I want the most in this package. Let's effing do this.
Stay back!
I just real quick, I do need to hear like the different boots because I know there's different versions. Hold up.
I will decide what's best for my family.
Yeah, let's effing go, bruv. Yes! Reload, bruv. Disgusting bass. His font, yeah, and his force moves. I'm fucking ready, bruv. I don't know if that's going to show up on camera. This could be the loudest bassest font I've ever heard, boy. The bass is off the fucking chart, mate. Let me hear these quotes. I'm effing ready, mate. Come on, bruv. Yes. You played the game, you know what's up. My man puts a fucking bomb or mine or whatever it is, Semtex Sig on Cal's back, pushes him, bang. You're dead, bruv. Oh my god, yeah. You lot, you three gents, You killed this thing, man. Ladies and gentlemen, I say right now, coming very soon, hopefully this month, your boys' favourite sound fonts of 2023. I think it's going to be a top 80 now. This Bode one is going to be high up. This is a fucking banger, mate.
Jedi Knight Dagen.
Yep, this is Dagen, whatever he bloody called, bruv. This is his High Republic version. Come on.
Our temple will be a bastion for the Order.
I love that my man's speaking all nice. You turned into scum, fam. Spoiler alert. Yep, here we go. Got him in his yellow blade. Before he bled the crystal, that scene was fucking sick, man. In fact, get out of this bloody High Republic rubbish. Let's bleed the crystal. Let's go dark mode, man. Come on.
My name is Dagen.
That is what I want to hear, baby.
I will not be imprisoned again.
Yes. This is what I want to hear. Hella unique hum. Love that. Oh, the bass boy. I would say this one, Santari, Bode and Vader have got astronomically stupid bass and I effing love it. All the clashes are different. He's got some mad force powers. Let's hear them all, baby. Too sick, I love it! If you know what that is, you know what's up. This font package is a madness, mate.
Whatever happened, you can't change the past. Nothing we couldn't handle. White Cross Guard. How we looking, BD? Ninth Sister. Casters! Bode.
How did you get here? My name is Dagen. You're still chained by the past.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the ultimate Jedi Survivor lightsaber font package. Again, I didn't even go through all of Cal's colours, and I didn't do the party fun, all of which are included, man. If you want to check it out, man, I'm sure other YouTubers have gone through all the colours. Your boy, I can't wait, bruv. I needed to hear Bode. I needed to hear Dagen.
Dagen, whatever his fucking name is, bruv.
Tell me which font you think sounded the best in today's video, ladies and gentlemen, down below. That'd be sick. For me, I can't lie, I've got a really big soft spot for the purple blade of Cal. I think it's an absolute bang. I played the entire game with that. It's like kind of, I'm not saying nostalgic, but it gets me in the feels a little bit, man, because I played the whole game with that. White and red crossguard absolutely slapped, but for me, Vader was good, the Knife was good, Dagen Sith was really sick, man. But for me, I don't think anything can beat Bode, man. Bode's hums and swings and the fucking force powers my man has, it's next level. It's next level. That's my favourite one. The package is, of course, getting your boys 10 out of 10, God tier, stamp of approval, man. Definitely go check it out. Link in the description. Tell them the nerd sent you. Thank you so much for watching, guys. You guys are the sickest. Big up. K-Sif, Kyberphonic, and Blue Mamba. You guys are the actual MVPs, mate. Take care, and peace.